The spirit of who? What?
Nickel, yeah, it sounds really fancy.
The spirit of Nicholas.
They also recommend a minimum capital of 800,000, which was what? Why? Are they trying to like do that on purpose? Is that like a way of making their strategy more attractive, like in a vain way?
The model account for this
Yeah.
strategy is 800,000. So when you're trade copying, let's say you,
Oh, you would need to be have. Oh, I see.
yeah,
Well,
so it's
can you
like
do a proportion or?
you can actually scale it down, but I think this number gets automatically generated, and it could also
Oh,
have
I
something to
see.
do with the use of options. The options in some of these might be like really expensive options. Here you can see like this for these, he only had one option, and that's probably a huge position, even if it's just one contract.
Okay.